Hi there traders, welcome to another video. On this video we're just gonna take a look at entry candles. I hope you guys understand all of the material that we've been covering so far. So let's jump straight into this. What entry candlesticks we will enter the market and place our trades. Entry candlesticks will help us to take high profitability trading setups. It's not about the candlestick but the where. We will only use entry candles from volatility zones. I hope you guys understand that. We will only take our trading opportunities from the volatility zones. And like I mentioned in the previous videos, it's not about the candlestick but the where. Where does it take place? So we as traders must know from which area are we trading from, and our goal is to trade it so close to our volatility zone so we can get the best trading opportunity, right? So I hope you guys understand this scenario, because why candlesticks is really important for our trading and to enter a trading opportunity. So let's take a look at the slide right here. So what we could have seen right here, we have a volatility zone right here. Price bounce into it. There we can see price run into it and then come down. There we can see price run to it again, reject this area. Once we see price run through it and close under, that is what we call a rejection. We can see we have two rejections right here, and there we can see we have, sorry, let me just go back. Here we can see we have another rejection, and there we have an inside bearish candle. This candle right here for us is not enough confirmation to take a trading opportunity yet. Reason why? Because why this candle didn't close under our previous open of this previous bullish candle. So the best candle opportunity would have been this candle right when this candle closed. So we will take our entry right once this candle close and keep our stop just above this area. That will give us a beautiful momentum here to the downside. And if you can keep in consideration what we just learned in our previous lectures, is that we could see that this is also a volatility zone, and this is also a double top for us right here, with a beautiful candle confirmation to enter your trading position right here and place your stop above here. If you took an entry right here on this first bearish candle right here, that is what we call a aggressive entry. So as you guys can see here on this next slide, we have price coming down, and there we can see we have a bullish hammer, and there we have another bullish engulfing candle. This candle right here is going to be our entry candle, because why this candle did close above our previous candles close as well, and also above our open, and this candle is really engulfing our previous candle. So this is most likely what we'll look out for, candle entries. But remember, it's not about the candlestick alone, it's about the where it happens. So once we see we are trading at the volatility zone and we see we have a rejection, something like this with a wick, and then we can see, and then we see we have a bullish engulfing candle. After that bullish engulfing candle, we will execute our trading position and let our trades run. So this is it for this video. If you guys don't understand it, please go back to this video again and rewatch it. I will take you guys now onto the charts for more practical views.